FMGE December 2025 applications begin from November 14, exams on Jan 17, 2026. Greenwood High International School shines across academics, athletics and co-curricular arenas. CAT 2025 admit card released by IIM Kozhikode, exams on November 30. JEE Main 2026 IIT Mandi's AI Data Science course debut strongs. CSE tops with 19,202 choices. 49% of Gen Z want to be their own boss. Side hustle redefine the future of work. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the National Board of Examinations in Medical Science has announced that applications for the Foreign Medical Graduate Examination December 2025 session will open on November 14 at 3 p.m. and closes on December 4, 11:55 p.m. The computer-based exam is scheduled for Jan 17, 2026 at centers nationwide. The information bulletin will be available from November 14 on natboard.edu.in detailing eligibility, fee structure and exam schemes. The FMGE is a mandatory test for Indian citizens and OCIs with foreign medical degrees to obtain registration with National Medical Commission, that is NMC, or State Council. NBEMS has also provided a helpline number and online support for applications and payment queries. The FMGE June 2025 exams was earlier held on July 26. Greenwood High International School Sarjapur has once again demonstrated excellence across academics and sports, making the entire Greenwood community proud. At the 7th ISSO Athlete Meet 2025 in Hyderabad, IBDP Year 2 athletes delivered stellar performance. Arjun Nori won gold medal in under 19 boys 100 meters, ranked 1 nationally among international curriculum schools, and bagged silver in 200 meters. The under 19 boys 4 into 100 meters relay team, Arjun Nori and Aman Trayambak Srinivasan and Vedant Ajay Krishnan, clinched gold, while Aman secured 4th in 100 meters and 5th in 200 meters, and Trayambaka placed 5th in both 400 and 800 meters. At the TISB Athlete Tournament held on November 10, 2025, Greenwood athletes showcased grit and teamwork, winning a total of 21 medals, 5 gold, 7 silver and 9 bronze. In swimming, Greenwood dominated the Euroschool swimming competitions held on 10th and 11th November 2025. At Sarjapur meet, Zian Deka Grade 6 earned 3 silver medals in under 12 categories, while Digvijay Manoj won bronze in under 16 50 meters freestyle. The under 16 relay team, Digvijay Manoj, Shiven Arav and Zian Deka won gold 4 into 25 meter freestyle and silver 4 into 25 meters medley. At the Whitefield meet, Greenwood's swimmers won multiple gold. Reba Kaur, Arna Kuppali, Kiana Aryaman and Arohit Dikshit in relays, Kiana and Avya in individual events, along with silver medal for Jia Dikshit, Aryan Chug, Mahi Sharma, Kiana and Arna Kuppali, and bronze medals for Aryaman. In the Invictus 6.0 Inter-School Tournament 2025, Greenwood secured 4 winner titles and 2 runner-ups positions, winning the overall championship trophies. Victories included under 12 girls football winners, best player is Ayushi Karant. Under 10 boys football winners, best player Avian Lohia. Under 12 boys football runner-up. Under 14 basketball runner-up with best player as Vivan Naveen. Beyond sports, Greenwood High also celebrated academic excellence. Grade 10 students excelled in Canadian team mathematics context. School level at Arav Mathur and Arushi Chandra topped individually, while Niyati Kasu, Arav Arav Mathur, Meher Aditya Kulkarni, and Shishir Suresh secured first place in the team category. These achievements embody Greenwood High's commitment to holistic education, fostering excellence, perseverance, and leadership in every student. Heartiest congratulations to all the champions for inspiring greatness both on and off the field. The Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode has released the CAT 2025 admit cards on the official website, that is imcat.ac.in. Registered candidates can download their hall tickets using their login ID and password to check exam date, sessions, and test center details. The Common Admission Test 2025 will be conducted on November 30 in 3 sessions across designated centers nationwide. Around 2.95 lakh candidates have registered for the 2-hour exam, which will test VARC, DILR, and QA skills. IMK has also released a mock test for November 12 to help candidates familiar themselves with the interface. Enhanced security measures include mobile jammers have been introduced. Each IIM will follow its own selection process based on CAT scores and additional criteria. IIT Mandi continues to attract strong interest from engineering aspirants, with data from the 2025 Joint Implementation Committee showing double-digit growth across most BTech programs. Computer Sciences and Engineering CSE led with 19,202 candidates choices, up to 15.89 from 2024. The newly launched BTech in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence have made an impressive debut with 15,951 choices, ranking second overall and replacing the discontinued Data Science and Engineering courses. Electrical engineering rose to 14,892 choices, while mechanical engineering reached 13,486. Interdisciplinary courses like mathematics and computing and microelectronics and VLSI saw notable gains. Core fields such as material science, civil, and bioengineering also recorded steady growth, underscoring IIT Mandi's balanced appeal across traditional and emerging domains. According to Intuit's 2024 consumer survey, nearly 2/3 of 18 to 35-year-olds have started or plan to start their side venture, with 65% intending to continue into 2025. For 49% of Gen Zs, in the main motivation is being their own boss, while 42% seek to pursue their passion, signaling to move away from the traditional 9-to-5 model. Although 44% cite time constraints as a challenge, AI and automation are helping them to manage multiple income streams efficiently. About 80% of Gen Z entrepreneurs have launched ventures online or via mobile platforms, leveraging social media, with 44% using Instagram and LinkedIn as primary marketing tool. Their side hustle emphasizes flexibility, autonomy, and digital empowerment, redefining what success and stability mean in modern work culture.